Hello, this is Nathan McEwen. I am doing my arrays video. This is an example of it right here where the method I do is a remove red method. This is the original photo right here. There's a lot of red in it, and then this is it with a reduced or zero, as you can see right here. Red content, it turns to blue, green, and others. So, for the code, this is going to be in a picture.java. It comes down to the main method right here. The main args. It goes into get a string which chooses the file. Come back down here. Chooses the file name, which is the Fire Volcano, which is that the file picker gets the file name, turns it into two picture objects, which one is just going to straight up explore it or pretty much show it, which is right here. The second is going to put a remove red method, then explore it, which shows up here. So after that's done, the code comes down here, goes to the remove red method, where we have an initial int variable set up, then setting it to 0. Do the same thing with a pixel variable and setting it to null. Then we're setting up a pixel array right here, where that is setting up an array of pixels, or more or less for the picture, which is an array of pixels. We then set up a for loop to go through every single one of the pixels. Since it's more the array is a one long line of pixels at this point, it's gonna go until it goes through the entire array, and for each pixel it's gonna go into here and get the pixel value at the array array number, and it's going to increase by 1 going through all the way through. It's going to get the red value from that pixel. It's going to make that value 0. Then it's going to set that value to red, which in essence removes the red from the picture and just gets rid of the red value from the picture, leaves everything else the same, and we just have a remove red picture. That will be all. That is arrays, and have a good day.